This video explains how to add and join user enrollment data in the new data preparation experience, using course offerings and user enrollments as an example to combine course records with enrolled user details. Keep these considerations in mind as you add and join user enrollment data. Choose your join type carefully based on your reporting needs. Use a left join when you need to retain records that may not have matching enrollments. Remove unused columns early to keep your workflow efficient and easier to read. This example starts with a cleaned-up course offering data set on the canvas. To add a new input data set to your workflow, click plus Add located beside Add Data in the Steps panel. For this example, select Data Source to add a Brightspace dataset. Then select User Enrollments from the available Brightspace datasets. And finally, click Select. Confirm that the dataset includes users who are currently enrolled in org units. To perform a basic cleanup of the user enrollments input, add a Select Column step after the user enrollments input. Review the column list in the Configure panel. Include only columns that are needed for joining or reporting. Rename the step for clarity. Confirm that the output only displays the selected columns. To join the two datasets, click the plus icon on the canvas next to Course Offerings and choose Join. Then drag the connector to link it with the User Enrollments Cleanup step. Open the Join Configure panel. Under Join Keys, select Course Offering ID and Org Unit ID from both datasets. Join type depends on your use case. In this scenario, select Left Join to retain all courses even if they have no enrollments. Confirm that all courses remain in the preview, including courses with no enrollment. To include additional user details such as username and email address, click plus Add, located beside the Add Data in the Steps panel. Select Data Source to select a Brightspace dataset. Then select users from the available Brightspace datasets. Then click Select. Use the Select Columns step to select only the desired columns as you did previously. For this example, select username and email address. Add another join step after the enrollment join. Open the Join Configure panel. Use the Right Table drop-down menu to select the data. Select the user's cleanup table directly from the Right Table menu. This is an alternative to dragging data sets. Under Join Keys, select User ID from both datasets. Confirm in the preview that the user details have been added to the enrollment records. Now you know how to add and join user enrollment data in the data preparation experience using course offerings and user enrollments to combine course records with enrolled user details. Thanks for watching.